Thanks. Travis, beautiful day up here in the mountains, isn't it?
Beautiful day for a flat tire.
No center stand, you gotta get a little bit creative. His name's Manuel and we're using the manual stand right now. How do you like that one? Africa Twin Day, baby. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So right now we're headed right down to the mountains, which are in fog or low clouds. We're gonna do a little Africa Twin meetup. So my buddy Travis just picked up a 2016 Africa Twin, the gray version. And his father-in-law is a proficient dirt bike rider that just picked up an Africa Twin Adventure Sports model. I'm gonna go meet up with both of them today. We're gonna start out doing some mild dirt. Dig it, Travis. Probably 50 miles that or so, and then we're gonna jump off and hit some fun twisties. So join us as we embark on this little Africa Twin meetup. We're gonna cut the camera off now because we're gonna be on the highway, but I'll be back with you shortly. So we're about to exit away, but what I just noticed was here, this low clouds, you can see the break right there. These clouds are like a super low fog, so we're gonna be able to get on those dirt roads and be up above the clouds. We should have totally clear visibility. It's gonna be awesome. All right, Travis and his father-in-law should be right there at that Shell station. We'll get some fuel, boom. Then up Lytle Creek, up and over the mountains, over to 138. That's the plan anyway. Look at this, we're about ready to get some full service from Mr. Travis. How you doing, man?
Good, how are you?
Good.
This is my father-in-law, Manuel.
Hey, Manuel, how you doing?
Kyle.
Good to meet you.
Yeah.
Beautiful bike. So all three of these bikes are equipped with basically a 90-10 tire. So a tire that's, you know, 90% street, 10% a little bit of dirt. Dude, I'm super stoked. I saw a clearing in the clouds on the way over. I think we're going to get like 2,000 feet. We'll be up above it all.
Sweet.
It's going to be awesome. So we just adjusted Travis's shift lever. It was a bit low. We made a joke that our shift levers were not in the right spot either because they're non-existent. It's kind of funny. Sick, the clouds are already starting to clear away. We're gonna have blue skies, my friends. This is gonna be fun. Fun, fun, fun. All right, so Travis and Manuel's bikes have the Dunlop Trail Max tires. Now I called those the Highway Max tires as a little bit of a pun when I did my tire review of those tires, just because they work really good on the highway. They really were a good street tire, but off-road, I just didn't have the confidence that I wanted in them. Whoa, this tire's cutting out. Come on, buddy. Oh, here it goes. Oh. What are these? Dunlop what? Dunlop slippery on dirt tires. So right now I'm running the Bridgestone AX41. Now this is not the Adventure Cross tire, it's more their 90-10 tire. So I'm gonna be pretty curious to see how these tires handle as compared to the Highway Maxes. It'll be kind of fun to have these two bikes side by side today, being able to kind of feel them out and see what they're doing different. Man, this is so gorgeous. This is 11 miles from the house, and it is just amazing. Got alpine areas up there. Mount Baldy's still covered in snow, so we might get to a spot today where we'll be able to see Mount Baldy all covered in snow. That's going to be super fun. So this here is the little town of Lytle Creek. Blink and you miss it. That's where my buddy Rez lives. We should have called him today. See if we can get service yet. No service. Dang it. If you've seen any of the Hangar 24 videos, he's the guy in the little XT250. Man, he tears that thing up. He recently picked up a KLR650. This would be a perfect intro to dirt on that bike. Yeah, I totally spaced. Should have invited him out today. Sorry, Rez. Should have invited you. My failure, dude. My failure. Alright, so now we're going to come off and hit some dirt. Now, we're all running these 90-10 tires, and we're all aired up at factory recommended levels. We might have to stop and air down, but we'll see how it goes. Let's get a quick picture. Smile, Travis. No, it's not getting anything.
It's trip living all this time. Never went down that road.
I have never either.
No, I got a Harley. That's a nice little Harley ride.
Dude,
too.
and it goes up. It gets even prettier.
Holy shit!
It gets.
That's
you know what?
a little adventure ride right
We've
there.
gotten off.
I like
Let's
how
just-
you're bombing through the canyon too, home.
Let's just go down and we'll just go to the end real quick.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Let's.
We've gotten off that exit 100 times.
I know. I thought it was a dead end road. I didn't know what the hell.
No, so let's go back down. Let's go up to the end where the pavement ends. It's gravel to begin with, and then literally it turns into fat effing river rocks. It's cool. I'll just show you what that looks like. But that road is, dude, you.
And then we'll come back here, and then when we get here, this takes us to the 138.
All right, yeah, slight change of plans. These guys have lived here their whole lives, and they've never been up here. That's crazy to me. So anyway, we're gonna go down and we're gonna run the rest of Lytle Creek because they want to see what that looks like. I mean, Lytle Creek is gorgeous. I love that ride. A little bit apprehensive on these downhills with these tires because I'm just not familiar with how they're gonna hook up or not hook up. All right. There it is. A little bit of snow. So this here's a full-on shooting range. So they got handguns and rifles over here. They got shotgun and trap over there. It's pretty cool. Now this road's quite a bit rocky. It's basically a riverbed. How's it feeling?
I got a bug in my eye.
Oh, what?
Oh, it feels good. It's pretty amazing how stable it still is.
Yeah.
Just kind of ride it like a dirt bike.
A big dirt bike.
Yeah, a really big dirt bike.
Dig it, Travis. All right, guys, here's the creek of Lytle Creek. Now, how's that for a photo op?
What's bitching with these bikes? You can carve them through the canyon, then you can go do the dirt, man.
Isn't that cool? It's so fun, man.
Badass. Man, I never knew this existed. Lived here all my life.
Isn't that crazy? So crazy.
This is badass. This is our bed.
It's like 15 miles from your house.
GMR, you done GMR too?
Yeah,
I
yeah.
do that on Ducati because that's like a freaking racetrack.
It is, for sure. It's like having a slipper clutch in this thing. It's amazing. Little neck, as fast as this puppy will go. Hey, Travis, he's past us. Bike's on the leg, can't get it off. Thank you. Yep. That sucks. What's up?
You want to keep going?
Yeah. Popped out. Alright, so now that I've ridden the DCT in the dirt for, I don't know, 20 miles or so, I can say it's a lot of fun. You don't have to worry about, you know, downshifting or upshifting. It pretty much does its own. You can obviously override it. Now, the one place where I really am feeling still not so comfortable with it is where I come into corners like this. I'll already be down in first, and I really want the RPMs to be higher. So you get that centrifugal force of the motor kind of keeping you upright. Where second gear, like this is second gear, this is where it wants to run, and it's just kind of doggy. And I really would like the motor to be able to be spinning faster than it is. With the clutch, I could be slipping the clutch and giving it some gas and slipping the clutch. But with this, it just doesn't work quite the same. So many lizards everywhere up here. Somebody's in distress up here. He's either gonna shoot us or he's in distress.
So I camped up here last night.
Yeah.
I left my ignition on.
Oh man.
Sure shit, I got up this morning, man, and the freaking battery's dead. It turned over like 3 times. It said,
Oh,
oh man. So, right on, man.
that sucks. All right, good luck. Came up here camping and left the battery on all night. That sucks. So that's the road we were on this morning.
That's the one we were on this morning?
Oh,
cool.
So that's basically the riverbed road we were riding in. Man, this is cool. Check out those snow-capped mountains. Love it. The temperature is 65 degrees outside. It's 65 degrees, snow on the mountains. Perfect weather. Just a gorgeous day. Oh, this is cool. Ooh. It's interesting. So if we would have been on a four-wheeled vehicle, we would not have gotten past that section. Put the factor on bikes, just kind of skate around it. Good. You're good. Oh, it is. Let's go find some shade. Front flat tire. Bomber. See, I should have everything we need.
Except a tube.
Pouch kit.
Yeah, you have a pouch kit?
I should.
I have a center stand.
There it is, right there, buddy.
You don't have any air though. Oh, you do? Okay. Are these tubeless?
Nope.
So
They're tubeless, we just plug it.
how am I gonna get the wheel off?
Huh. Do you have service? Just call the wife. Alright. What we do is this. I was actually reading about all the tubeless solutions last night. 3M makes this tape that's amazing. You tape the rim on the inside. It's awesome. Hey babe, it's gorgeous up here. Take a look. We're up here in the mountains. It's nice. Our bikes are doing well, except for Travis just got a flat tire. So we just pulled all the tools out in order to fix it. I'll give you a call when we get finished with that. We're on the way. Love ya. All right, here we are. Just got done shooting the tire repair on Travis's front tire. Got a pinch flat. Now we're back on the road. All right, so we just got down to the pavement from meeting up there in the hills. Looks like Travis has another pinch flat. So we're taking it to the gas station over here, see if we can't get some fix-a-flat for it. What a fun day. I mean, we're just 50 miles from the house. We've ridden to the top of some of these peaks at, 5, 6, 7,000 feet. Look at this. I love this sandstone-y round rock. It's so cool. 2 front flats and a motor fix. Fun, fun, fun. And here we are, folks. Alright, so it looks like AAA won't come again because there's no motorcycle coverage, and I can't find anybody here that has a tube. Right now, the plan is to go home and get the truck, come back, pick Travis up, and deliver him home to his loving wife. Alright, so we finally made it back into Travis's garage with the Africa Twin with the flat front tire. What happened, Travis?
So I picked this bike up. It's a used bike. It has 5,500 miles on it. It's bitchin', actually. It's a 2016 Honda Africa Twin CRF1000. It's a manual shift. And I think we were having a good time out in Lytle Creek, California. And I don't know. I had my air pressure at around 27 PSI this morning, 27 for the front and about 35 in the rear. And we went into some rocky sections.
It was definitely really rocky. Now, the thing that I do on all my big adventure bikes is I run a heavy-duty tube. They say you're not supposed to run a heavy-duty tube if you're running the asphalt a lot, but I've never had a failure on the street because of a heavy-duty tube. But I can tell you, I've had lots of front flats due to thin, like paper-thin tubes up front that just get pinched and you're done. Again, we had everything we needed in order to make the fix. The only thing we didn't have with us this time, which we normally do, is a front tube, and that's something we'll definitely carry with us in the future. Now, there's a caveat to that. When I carry a tube in my pack, I carry the lightest tube possible. That way I don't have tons of stuff in my pack. But in the bike, I run heavy-duty tubes.
I totally agree. I am going to be heading to Chaparral Motorsports to getting some heavy-duty Bridgestone or Dunlop tubes. I think those are the best. I think they're around $35-40. I would have definitely paid double that price today just to have that tire inflate properly.
No doubt. So I usually run the Motaz Uber heavy duty tube. I really like that one. Anyway, I'm Kyle. This is Travis. Thanks for watching our little video today. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. If you like Africa Twins, give it a thumbs up. And that's it for today. A little Africa Twin adventuring here in the mountains near San Bernardino, California. If you want more action like this to come directly to your inbox, hit that subscribe button and more importantly, the notification bell so you can be part of the notification squad. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there.